Here we go! Go! Yep. Well, there it goes. Now, see, we seem to have a coordination problem. Oh, well, we're trying to go that way. There it goes. There we go. Now we're making some good progress here.
Oh, they got a rhythm up front there.
Alright. See if we can get some coordination here. Fortunately, the boat is not sinking or particularly tippy, but we are having some coordination problems. There we are. Okay, we're still going to the side here. Wow. Okay, now we got to go around it. Around it. Oh, okay. Oh, we've got a big crowd out here. Now it is tough to row out here, particularly when you got a crew that has not really trained or anything like that. So we are making it around the buoy now.
Go Taco!
Woo!
Oh my God, you're right.
You can just throw them in the... Oh, did you bring...
Bring what question?
Oh, yes, I'll... Well, then you better hurry.
Uh-oh, we're running out of tape.